Welcome back, Red Knight Nation. As you can tell, we are yet again under snow. Winter warning advisories in effect for right now. I'm heading off to work. I'll catch you sometime later. See you soon. So, I just got off from work. They plowed this highs. I've been helping out at other high stores lately. But, it's still snowing here. Because I can barely see my screen. I'm about ready to head home. I'm gonna clean off my car and head on out of here. Right now I'm ending this vlog off here. It's been a couple days since the beginning part. Been a bit rough. So a couple announcements I'll be saying in the next vlog, tomorrow's video, which stay tuned. I'll see you guys around.